A is for ant, so tiny and quick. B is for bear, who plays with a stick. C is for cat, who climbs up high. D is for duck, who learns to fly. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fox, who hides in a cloud. G is for giraffe, tall and sweet. H is for hippo with heavy feet. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go. K is for kangaroo, who jumps all day. L is for lion with the golden mane. N is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for newt, who lives by the breeze. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin in black and white. Q is for quail with a funny walk. R is for rabbit, who loves to hop and talk. S is for snake, long and sly. T is for turtle, who waves goodbye. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vulture, who watches all. W is for whale, who sings so deep. X is for x-ray fish in the creek. I is for yak with fuzzy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to wear.